Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our special feature on agricultural innovations in Asia. Today we delve into the fascinating world of cashew nut farming, exploring the meticulous process of harvesting and processing these valuable nuts. This journey not only highlights the traditional methods passed down through generations, but also showcases the integration of cutting-edge technology to enhance efficiency and quality. Join us as we uncover the story behind one of the world's favorite nuts. Cashew nuts, known scientifically as an Nicori occidentale, are native to tropical regions and have become a significant agricultural product in many Asian countries. These nuts are prized for their rich flavor and numerous health benefits, making them a staple in many households around the world. The process of bringing these nuts from the tree to your table is a complex one, involving several stages that require precision and care. The journey of a cashew nut begins in the orchards. Asian farmers cultivate cashew trees in regions with suitable climates, such as Vietnam, India, and the Philippines. These trees thrive in tropical environments with well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. The cashew tree produces a unique fruit known as the cashew apple, with the nut encased in a hard shell at the bottom of the apple. The selection of cashew tree varieties is a crucial step in the cultivation process. Farmers often choose cashew varieties that have good disease resistance, high yield, and superior nut quality. This process requires thorough research and years of experience to ensure the trees grow robustly and achieve high economic efficiency. The seeds, once selected, go through a germination process under controlled conditions to ensure a high germination rate and healthy seedlings. Once the seedlings are strong enough, they are transplanted to the fields. The planting process requires thorough soil preparation. Cashew trees need a lot of sunlight, so choosing the right planting location is also crucial. As the cashew trees begin to grow, farmers must regularly monitor and care for them, including pruning, pest control, and periodic fertilization to ensure the trees grow well and yield high-quality nuts. Harvesting cashew nuts is a labor-intensive process. The cashew apples are manually plucked from the trees when they reach peak ripeness. This task is typically performed by skilled laborers who carefully detach the fruit without damaging the delicate nuts. The harvested cashew apples are then transported to processing facilities where the real work begins. Initially, cashews are cooked at a temperature of about 140 degrees Celsius. Compared to raw cashews, after cooking, the outer shell of the cashews becomes brittle and easy to peel. The cashews are then moved to the second heat treatment stage at around 110 degrees Celsius. This process helps completely remove any remaining outer shell, making shelling much easier. After this, the cashews are kept in a room at a temperature of 10 degrees Celsius for one day to achieve the perfect condition for the next steps. Workers continue to shell cashews throughout the day, collecting them into large baskets and weighing them to determine their labor efforts. After the second shelling, the cashews are moved to the sorting process. Here they are separated by quality and size. The cashews that meet quality standards continue to be processed to remove any non-standard parts. Then the high-quality cashews pass through a metal detector to ensure no metal impurities remain. In the final stage, the cashews are accurately weighed for packaging. If there are any discrepancies in weight, the cashews are adjusted to the specified weight before the final packaging. The cashews are then packed into boxes with precise weights, ensuring the highest quality product reaches the consumers. As we look towards the future, the cashew industry continues to innovate. Advances in agricultural technology and processing techniques are helping farmers and manufacturers increase efficiency, reduce waste, and improve the overall quality of cashew nuts. In 2024, new developments in precision agriculture, such as drone technology and data analytics, are being used to monitor crop health and optimize harvest times. These innovations are helping farmers produce higher yields and better quality cashews, ensuring a sustainable future for the industry. In conclusion, the journey of a cashew nut from the orchard to the table is a testament to the dedication and hard work of Asian farmers and processors. Through a combination of traditional knowledge and modern technology, they are able to produce some of the finest cashew nuts in the world. As consumers, we can appreciate the care and effort that goes into every handful of cashews we enjoy. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of cashew farming and processing, and we look forward to bringing you more stories of agricultural innovation in the future. Welcome to another captivating episode on our channel, where we delve deep into the fascinating world of agriculture. Today we take you on an extraordinary journey to the vibrant fields of India, where the golden spice of turmeric is cultivated with care and precision. From planting to harvesting, and finally, to processing, we will explore every step involved in bringing this miraculous spice from farm to table. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind one of the most prized crops in the world, turmeric. Turmeric, known scientifically as curcuma longa, is a spice that has been a cornerstone of Indian culture, cuisine, and medicine for centuries. Revered for its vibrant color and potent medicinal properties, turmeric is more than just a spice, it is a symbol of tradition and health. India, the largest producer of turmeric, accounts for nearly 80% of the world's supply. The journey of turmeric, from a tiny rhizome to the golden powder used in households worldwide, is nothing short of remarkable. Let's dive into the meticulous process of turmeric farming and harvesting in India. Turmeric cultivation begins with the careful selection of rhizomes. Farmers typically choose high-quality, disease-free rhizomes from the previous harvest. These rhizomes are usually cut into smaller pieces, each with a bud, ensuring they can sprout and grow into healthy plants. The planting season for turmeric in India varies by region, but generally falls between April and June, coinciding with the onset of the monsoon. The soil preparation is a critical step in the process. Turmeric thrives in well-drained, fertile soils rich in organic matter. Farmers often prepare the land by plowing it multiple times to achieve a fine tilth, followed by the application of organic manure or compost to enhance soil fertility. Weeding is an essential task during the early stages of growth. As it helps reduce competition for nutrients and water. Farmers often employ manual weeding methods, though in larger fields, mechanical weeders may be used. Irrigation plays a crucial role throughout the growth cycle of turmeric. While the crop is not highly water-intensive, it does require consistent moisture. Farmers in regions with erratic rainfall often supplement natural rainfall with additional irrigation, particularly during dry spells. The frequency and amount of water depend on the soil type, climate, and growth stage of the plants. To protect the crop from pests and diseases, Indian farmers often use a combination of traditional and modern methods. The harvest of turmeric is a labor-intensive process that requires careful timing. The crop is typically ready for harvest 7 to 9 months after planting, when the leaves and stems of the plant start to turn yellow and dry out. In India, turmeric harvesting generally occurs between December and March, depending on the region. The The harvesting process begins with the cutting of the plant tops, leaving only the rhizomes in the soil. These rhizomes are then carefully dug out using spades or mechanical harvesters. The harvested rhizomes are gathered and cleaned to remove soil and other impurities. After harvesting, turmeric undergoes a meticulous preservation process. First, the locals wash the turmeric with water to remove any remaining mud and dirt. Next, the turmeric is neatly arranged in pots and placed on the stove to cook. This cooking process takes place directly over the fire until the turmeric is fully cooked. Once done, the turmeric is spread out on the ground to dry under the sun. When it's completely dry, the turmeric is put into a rotating machine. The machine removes the outer layer, revealing the bright golden color inside, which looks very appealing. Finally, the turmeric is carefully packaged, allowing it to be preserved for several years without losing its quality. After polishing, the rhizomes are ground into a fine powder, which is then sieved to obtain a uniform texture. The turmeric powder is finally packaged for sale in local markets or exported worldwide. Turmeric is carefully sorted by local farmers to select the highest quality rhizomes. These selected rhizomes are then taken to major markets, where experienced traders meticulously examine each one. Only the best turmeric rhizomes are purchased in large quantities for export. This process ensures that the finest products are shipped to international markets, bringing significant economic value to the farmers. Turmeric is not just a crop, it is a vital part of India's economy and culture. It plays a significant role in the livelihoods of millions of farmers and is a crucial component of India's spice exports. Beyond its economic value, turmeric holds a special place in Indian traditions, rituals, and medicine. It is used in various forms, from cooking to skincare, and is celebrated for its numerous health benefits. As we conclude our journey through the turmeric fields of India, it's clear that the process of bringing this golden spice from farm to table is a testament to the dedication and hard work of Indian farmers. Each step, from planting to processing is carried out with precision and care, ensuring that the turmeric we use in our kitchens is of the highest quality. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the world of turmeric farming and harvesting. We hope this documentary has given you a deeper appreciation for the effort and expertise that goes into producing this incredible spice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on farming and agriculture, and we would love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment below and share your experiences or questions about turmeric farming. Let's keep the conversation growing. In the rich agricultural land of Tochigi, Japan, nestled amongst mountains and blessed with a climate that enjoys long hours of daylight and varied temperatures, a special pear has come into existence, the Nicori pear. This area, known as one of Japan's premier agricultural zones, provides the perfect conditions for growing these exceptional fruits. The climate, characterized by hot summers and cold winters, is particularly well suited for pear cultivation. The Nicori pear is notable for its impressive size, being about 2.5 times larger than an ordinary pear. Its sweetness and long shelf life make it an ideal candidate for export. The pear's beautiful golden color and extended harvest period add to its appeal. To ensure that each pear is harvested at its peak ripeness and flavor, each of the several 100,000 fruits is individually checked for color. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that only the best pears make it to market. Our journey into understanding how these remarkable pears are grown begins in a pear orchard that is more than 10 years old. In the spring, it's time to care for the pear trees. Branches that are fruitless or dead are carefully removed. This is not done randomly. Each branch is chosen with care. The remaining branches are then fixed to a hanging net to support them as they bear fruit. As the pear orchard begins to bloom, it's time to pollinate the pear trees. This is done by hand, which helps increase productivity and improves the fruiting rate compared to natural pollination by bees. The next step involves covering the pear orchard with cheesecloth. This is done to protect the trees from direct sunlight and rain, which can affect the fruit's quality. This step demonstrates the meticulous care that goes into Japanese agriculture. However, the special care doesn't stop there. The next task is to spray pesticides to prepare the trees for fruit bearing. When the flowers have fruited, each bunch has about 10 fruits. True to the Japanese way, the majority of these fruits are removed, leaving only about 1/3 of them on the tree. This practice concentrates the tree's nutritional resources on fewer fruits, resulting in larger and more flavorful pears. As we move into August, the process becomes even more surprising. Farmers begin to pick the pears that are misshapen or smaller and do not meet the high standards required. While these pears are still of good quality, they won't fetch a good price in the market. The beautiful pears, the ones introduced at the beginning, ripen later, about a month after the others. These pears require up to 135 days from the date of pollination to reach maturity. The result of this extended growing period is a pear that is not only larger, up to 2.5 times the size of a regular pear, but also more perfect in appearance. Each kilogram of these pears costs around $10, which means a 2.5 kilograms Nicori pear will cost about $25. The pears are carefully packed and prepared for export, maintaining their pristine condition until they reach their destination. In 2024, the production and export of Nicori pears have seen significant growth. Japan exported over 1,500 tons of Nicori pears, with the primary markets being the United States, Europe, and various countries in Asia. The Japanese approach to growing the pears highlights the balance between modern agricultural practices and traditional methods. The use of hand pollination, selective pruning, and careful monitoring ensures that each pear meets the highest standards. This blend of old and new techniques is what makes Japanese agriculture unique and revered worldwide. This detailed explanation of the cultivation and export of Nicori pears provides a comprehensive understanding of why these pears are considered the world's most expensive and why they are so highly valued by consumers worldwide. Chayote is a nutritious vine, widely grown thanks to its good adaptability and diverse culinary uses. Every year, farmers around the world harvest millions of tons of chayote, thanks to modern farming techniques and favorable climatic conditions. But how is chayote planted, cared for, harvested, and processed before reaching consumers? Let's explore the exciting journey of this plant. Chayote, also known as chayote or mirleton, is a nutritious and versatile plant that thrives in tropical and subtropical climates. This tree is not only grown to harvest green fruits shaped like pears, but is also used in many other parts, such as buds, leaves, and roots. Thanks to its flexible adaptation and high nutritional value, chayote has become an important food in many cuisines around the world. Chayote is one of the plants that is easy to propagate thanks to its ability to naturally germinate from seeds inside the fruit. Farmers often grow chayote directly from seeds or whole fruits, helping the plant grow quickly without the need for complicated nursery steps. This plant grows well in loose, well-drained soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. After a while, the tree begins to grow strongly, its green foliage gradually spreading. Because it is a vigorous growing vine, chayote needs a sturdy trellis to cling to. In commercial farms, trellises are often built with wooden stakes, helping the trees grow high and the fruits do not touch the ground, limiting pests and diseases. After a period of growth, the vines will cover the trellis, forming a dense canopy, which helps maintain moisture and prevent weeds from growing, while also protecting the plant from the direct impact of harsh sunlight. During the growing process, they need to be watered properly to maintain productivity and avoid too wet soil causing fungal diseases. Chayote is also susceptible to pests such as aphids, red spider mites, and bollworms, so farmers apply biological methods such as natural enemies, neem oil, or organic pesticides. In addition, regular pruning helps plants breathe, while crop rotation helps maintain soil fertility and limit seasonal pests. When the tree reaches maturity, flowers begin to appear densely, signaling the upcoming fruit-bearing stage. The pale yellow flowers attract pollinating insects, facilitating the fruit formation process. If cared for properly, chayote trees will continue to produce fruit regularly throughout the season, providing high yields and consistent quality. After about 4 to 6 months, chayote is ready to harvest. The ideal time is when the fruit is still young, firm, and soft, ensuring the best quality. If harvested late, the fruit will become hard and fibrous, reducing its value. Farmers often harvest by hand, using pruning shears or sharp knives to carefully cut the fruit from the vines, avoiding damage to the tree. Harvesting usually takes place in the early morning or late afternoon to limit the impact of high temperatures. Farmers carefully observe each fruit, select those that meet standards before cutting, and gently hold the stem to avoid scratching the skin. Because chayote bears fruit continuously throughout the growing season, harvesting is done several times during the season instead of all at once, requiring patience and meticulousness to maintain the best yield and fruit quality. Once harvested, chayote is loaded onto trucks and transported to the processing facility, where the cleaning and packaging process begins. Here they are unloaded and put into large tanks for thorough washing, removing dirt and impurities to meet the market's strict quality standards. Next, chayote is classified according to size and quality, and those that do not meet the requirements will be discarded. Qualified fruits are packaged in bubble bags, then placed in boxes and prepared to be shipped to distributors. With a cool taste and light, crunchy texture, chayote is very versatile in preparation. It can be used in many different ways, such as eating it raw in fresh salads, stir-frying it with fragrant garlic and meat to create a richer dish, or adding it to soups and hot pots to add a sweet flavor and freshness. In some areas, not only the fruit but also young shoots and chayote leaves are used to prepare many different dishes, contributing to providing a rich source of nutrition for daily meals. In addition to its culinary value, chayote also brings many nutritional benefits. This fruit is rich in vitamin C, B vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, helping to strengthen the immune system and stabilize blood sugar. Some studies also show that chayote may contribute to protecting heart health. Thanks to growing awareness of healthy foods, demand for chayote continues to expand in both domestic and international markets. Through the journey of discovering chayote cultivation, we can see that cultivating this plant requires perseverance. From the planting stage to harvesting and processing, each step reflects the dedication of the farmer. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Have you ever tried chayote? How do you like to prepare it? Please share your thoughts and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to follow more interesting content about agriculture. Have you ever wondered what creates the perfect sour taste and crispness of green apples? Every year, millions of tons of green apples are harvested around the world, becoming an important ingredient in many dishes and drinks. how does the journey from apple orchard to dinner table take place? What technologies help farmers cultivate and preserve the freshest apples? Let's explore this entire process in the video below. Green apples thrive in temperate climates with cold winters and warm summers. Before planting, farmers carefully prepare the soil, ensuring it is nutrient-rich, with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. As a result, trees develop strong roots, absorb water and nutrients efficiently, and achieve optimal growth and yield. This process includes plowing to loosen the soil, adding organic matter, and supplementing essential minerals. In early spring, when temperatures begin to warm, farmers plant apple trees in large fields. It usually takes 3 to 5 years for the tree to produce its first fruit, and about 7 years to reach maximum yield. Today, thanks to modern GPS systems that support mechanization, the planting process is more accurate and efficient. Automatic machines ensure reasonable spacing and optimal planting depth, helping plants grow evenly and healthily, while significantly reducing labor and optimizing the use of land and water resources. To help young trees stand firm against strong winds and grow straight, farmers install sturdy support stakes right from the early stages. These stakes help protect young trees, keep their trunks from bending or breaking, and create stable conditions in the early years of growth, helping the tree soon adapt well to the surrounding natural environment and grow healthier. Nutrition plays an important role in the growth of green apple trees. Farmers apply measures such as fertilizing, spraying, and watering properly to help plants grow well. Proper fertilization helps roots grow strongly, enhances the ability to absorb nutrients, and supports the flowering and fruiting process. In early spring and late fall, farmers use organic fertilizers to maintain a stable source of nutrients for plants throughout the growth cycle. Spraying plant protection chemicals is a necessary measure to protect plants from harmful pests and fungi. Farmers often use biological drugs or environmentally friendly pesticides to limit pest attacks. During the growing season, apple trees need to be inspected regularly to detect early signs of disease and promptly treat them, ensuring healthy trees and high yields. Watering is essential for maintaining tree moisture. The drip irrigation system provides consistent water distribution, ensuring efficient absorption without waste. During the dry season, each tree needs 10 to 15 gallons of water per week, depending on weather and soil type. Watering in the early morning or late afternoon reduces evaporation, maintains stable moisture, and supports healthy tree growth. In spring, as the weather warms, green apple trees begin to bloom. A stable temperature of 60 to 70 DGF provides ideal conditions for flowering. Pollination is primarily carried out by insects, especially bees. To ensure a high fruit set rate, farmers may introduce beehives into the orchard. The flowering stage lasts from 7 to 10 days, after which successfully pollinated flowers develop into young apples. Harvesting is a crucial stage that directly affects the quality and commercial value of green apples. In the United States, the harvest season typically occurs in the fall, from September to November. Apples are generally hand-picked to minimize damage and preserve fruit quality. Workers use a gentle twisting technique to detach the fruit from the stem without harming branches or surrounding apples. A skilled worker can harvest 1 to 2 bins of apples per day, each containing approximately 800 to 1,000 pounds of fruit, depending on the variety and size. In large apple orchards, or when rapid harvesting is required, apple harvesting machinery can be used to increase efficiency. This type of machine can process 3 to 5 crates of apples per hour, depending on the type of equipment, terrain, and orchard layout. However, although it reduces labor, using machines can still increase the risk of fruit damage, especially for high-end apple varieties. Once harvested, green apples are transported to large-scale sorting centers where they are stored in large compartments with temperatures ranging from 0.5 to 3 DEGC, an oxygen-deficient environment, and 90–95% humidity to ensure freshness. The automatic elevator system brings apples to the smart water conveyor, where they are washed with a modern automatic system, completely removing impurity. The apples are then air-dried to prepare them for quality inspection. Each apple passes through a smart scanning system, using cameras and 3D processing technology to assess color, signs of damage, and size. Fruits that do not meet standards will be immediately discarded. The highest quality fruits will be automatically sorted based on size and weight. Smart conveyor belt with separate compartments helps apples fall into the correct position, ensuring accurate arrangement. After sorting, the apples return to the water conveyor for another cleaning before reaching the packaging area. The automated system will label each apple as it passes, then continue moving into the final stage. Qualified apples are put into prepared cartons and accurately weighed to ensure the correct weight. Various types of packaging, from traditional carton boxes to environmentally friendly packaging, help meet market needs. Once completed, these apple boxes are shipped to stores, supermarkets, and homes around the world. Green apples, with their crunch and delicious flavor, make them ideal ingredients for many dishes, from apple pie to salads. Thanks to the combination of cool, sour taste and refreshing crunch, green apples are always a favorite choice of many people in daily meals. And that's the end of today's video. The journey of green apples beautifully reflects the dedication and hard work of farmers in bringing delicious and nutritious apples to consumers worldwide. How do you usually enjoy green apples? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's explore sustainable farming methods together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more valuable and insightful content about agriculture. You might be familiar with crops like corn or rice, but have you ever wondered why sorghum, another highly important staple crop, is widely embraced by numerous cultures around the world? What unique qualities make this versatile crop stand out in the food and nutrition industry? Join us on a fascinating journey as we delve into the cultivation, harvesting, and processing of sorghum, while uncovering its diverse and practical applications in daily life across various regions. Sorghum is a highly drought-resistant grain. Unlike many other crops, it can thrive in semi-arid regions and withstand periods of drought, making it a valuable resource in areas where water scarcity is a constant challenge. With the global population on the rise and increasing concerns over climate change, the importance of sorghum is gaining greater attention. In fact, sorghum is the fifth most important grain crop worldwide in terms of production, following maize, rice, wheat, and barley. Our journey starts in the fields, where soil preparation is essential. Sorghum grows best in fertile, well-drained soil with a pH between 5.8 and 6.5. To give young plants the best chance to thrive, farmers usually till the soil to improve its texture, making it more effective at retaining water, a critical factor in dry regions. Sorghum is typically planted in late spring or early summer, depending on the climate. Seeds are sown directly into the soil in rows at a depth of 2.5 to 2 inches C, with adequate spacing to ensure each plant receives enough sunlight and nutrients. Once planted, sorghum enters a growth phase lasting from 40 to 60 days. During this time, the plant develops strong roots, stems, and leaves, which are essential for photosynthesis and energy storage. Sorghum has the unique feature of waxy leaves that help the plant retain moisture, a key trait for survival in arid environments. Throughout the growing process, farmers must monitor the fields to detect any signs of pests or diseases. While sorghum is relatively pest-resistant, common threats include aphids, stem borers, and root rot. Many farmers use integrated pest management practices to minimize chemical use and protect beneficial insects, helping maintain the natural ecological balance in the field. After the growth phase, sorghum moves into its reproductive stage, which includes flowering and seed development. The plant produces a flower head called a panicle, which eventually transforms into the grains we harvest. Sorghum flowers are self-pollinating, making them more resilient in isolated or challenging growing conditions. As the seeds mature, farmers carefully monitor the color and moisture content of the grain to determine the ideal harvest time. The harvesting process begins when the sorghum plants reach full maturity, usually around 100 to 120 days after planting. At this point, the grains are firm and the moisture content has dropped to around 20–25%. Farmers use specialized machinery, such as combine harvesters, for the harvest. As the machine moves through the field, it cuts the stalks, collects and threshes the grains from the stalk, and separates impurities. It cooperates with the root investitures to keep the stalks from becoming bloated and separate from harm. The cutting mechanism helps ensure accurate harvesting at the proper height, minimizing grain loss. Inside the machine, a conveyor system and rotating mechanisms work continuously to transfer the threshed grains into a storage tank, while the stalks and leaves are discarded or processed further for use as livestock feed. After harvesting, the grains are usually dried further to reduce the moisture content to around 12 to 14%, making them suitable for storage. This drying process is crucial as it prevents mold growth and preserves the quality of the grain for long-term storage. Next, sorghum enters the processing phase, including cleaning, grinding, or treatment to create a variety of products, including liquor. Sorghum liquor is highly popular across many Asian countries, particularly in China, where the renowned Mao Tai liquor is celebrated for its deep, distinctive flavor. We invite you to join us as we delve into the fascinating process of crafting fermented sorghum liquor. The distillation process for sorghum liquor begins with a careful selection of high-quality sorghum grains. These grains are dried to eliminate excess moisture and enhance preservation, then steamed to perfection. The steaming process is conducted meticulously to ensure each grain is evenly cooked, achieving a soft texture without becoming mushy. Temperature and steaming time are carefully controlled to retain sorghum's natural aroma. Once cooked, the sorghum grains are ready for the fermentation stage, where they are mixed with a natural yeast to create an environment conducive to the growth of microorganisms essential for fermentation. This natural fermentation process produces the characteristic flavors of sorghum liquor. When the mixture has completed its fermentation period, it is transferred to a still, where the essence of the sorghum is extracted through steam distillation. As the steam carrying the essence rises, it passes through a cooling system which condenses it into liquid form. The distilled liquor is then thoroughly filtered multiple times to remove impurities, enhancing its clarity and purity and imparting a distinctive rich aroma. Finally, the liquor is transferred into jars or barrels for natural aging. Aging time is a crucial factor in developing the liquor's flavor and aroma, allowing it to become richer and more complex over time. This aging process is a treasured secret of traditional craftsmen, bringing forth a unique and unforgettable sorghum liquor experience. Thank you all for being with us on this journey to explore the fascinating world of sorghum cultivation. We hope this has given you a deeper understanding of the significance of this remarkable crop and the dedication of the farmers who grow it. If you found this video valuable or insightful, please feel free to let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of the latest videos in this series. See you again in the next video.